Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in my channel. In this video, we will learn how to draw stairs in isometric view. So let's get started. The first step is to draw a horizontal line at the base of your page. Next step would be to drop in a perfect vertical somewhere in the middle of the line that you have just drawn. Make sure that these construction lines are as light as possible. I'm making them a bit dark so that you guys can see in the camera. Okay, next from this intersection point over here, we need to draw 30-degree lines on either side. Next, we need to determine what would be the height of each step. Let's say the height of each step should be 2 centimeters. So on this vertical line that you have drawn, mark 2 centimeter dots like so. Okay. Next would be to determine how deep each step should be. That should be marked on the 30-degree line that we have drawn going towards the left. So let's say the depth of each step is same as the height. So I will again mark 2 centimeter points on this line over here. Okay, so now what we need to do is through each of these points on the vertical, we need to draw 30-degree lines going towards the left. I will use this line as a reference line and I will draw parallel to it. Next would be to take these markings that we have made and draw verticals alternate to these lines that we have drawn going towards the left. Meaning, take the first point over here and drop in a vertical. Take the second point and drop in a vertical over here. Next, repeat the same for the remaining points. Okay, so now we have our step number 1, 2, 3 and the 4, which is the landing. So let's just go ahead and mark a 2 centimeter point here as well. Okay, now from here we will just drop in our vertical all the way to the bottom. Now our stairs are beginning to take shape. Next, we need to complete the width of our stairs. To do that, we need to establish the width on this line which is going to the right side. Let's just say that the width of our stairs is the same as the depth of our stairs. Since these two lines have the same angle, we will just draw a horizontal line from this extreme point that over here to this one. This is the same distance as this one. Right? This is the same distance as this one. Perfect. So now what we need to do is from each of these points over here, we need to draw lines at 30 degrees. Again, I am going to use the line which we have drawn on the right as a reference line, and I will draw parallel to it. Okay, so now from this extreme point that we have made, let us start dropping in verticals. So this is the first vertical. Now from the end point, we will draw a 30-degree line going to the left. If you are interested in learning how to draw similar set of stairs but in a 2-point perspective view, I have already made a video on that, the link to which I will leave in the description down below. Feel free to check it. It is also kind of similar, but instead of drawing 30-degree lines on either side of the vertical, you have to draw lines which are going to the right vanishing point and left vanishing point respectively. That is the only difference that you will find in an isometric stairs and in a perspective stairs, or stairs which are in perspective. I also have videos on how to draw cars and all the so many other perspective concepts that are out there. Make sure to check my playlist on the same. Okay, so now our stairs are complete. Now what is remaining is to darken the bits that are interesting to us. So I'll just go ahead and make it. Alright, so now our stairs which are in isometric projection is complete. What you can go ahead and do is add some shading to the stairs. So I'll just make it. I think that's it for this video. I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice weekend everyone. See you. Bye bye.